Unbox time. Hey, what's up guys? Sean here with Apollo, and today we're unboxing the all-new 2022 Apollo City. Now it's important to note that this is a pre-production unit, and so there may be some slight differences between this one and what you receive as the final production. Now, without further ado, let's get unboxing. Now inside your scooter box, you'll find another box like this containing your scooter's charger and an Allen key to help set up your scooter. Alright, now that we've got the scooter all set up, you probably notice it looks a little different from the previous City. In fact, it looks a little bit closer to our entry-level scooter, the Apollo Air. And while it does borrow some design cues, it's got some very unique features that make it special. So the first feature, and one of the more low-key exciting ones, is the new two-step folding mechanism. Activated by pressing on this orange button here, that will release the latch, allowing you to pull down and fold the scooter. And you'll notice inside there's a thick cable protecting the electrical wires that go up to the handlebars, meaning it's always insulated and protected. Now to fold the scooter back up, you raise it up, and it's already locked into place. Push the button, and you're good to go. Now dropping down a little bit, you notice this bright orange spring here. It's actually one of three, making this a triple suspension system, meaning that you can have a comfortable ride no matter where you go. Now the City will come in two options, single motor or dual motor, and each of those motors being 500 watts, so you'll have enough power to go around. City will also come standard with dual drum brakes, plus a regenerative brake too. Oh yeah, and did we mention these are puncture-proof tires? Now one of the most requested features is to have turn signals, so we embedded them into the handlebars for ergonomic ease of access. Now you notice on the handlebars there's two throttles, one for the acceleration and one for the regen brake. Now you notice it stops pretty quickly when it's up in the air, but when someone's riding on the scooter it'll be a much smoother braking sensation. You'll also notice built into the deck, a special carry handle, making it easier to pick up your scooter without having to fold it every time. Last but not least, sturdy spring-loaded kickstand with a little tab making it easy to extend. All right, that's it guys. That's 2022 Apollo City Unboxed. Now stay tuned for a full review video and a setup guide coming soon. Thanks again for watching guys, and as always, ride safe.